Well, it's been just over 4 months since the Triad Library welcomed a social worker and a certified peer support specialist to their team.
And in this short period of time, they have helped more than 100 people in need of mental health and support services. Fox 8 Celeste Smith joins us live now from the newsroom. So Celeste, just how far has this outreach been able to stretch?
Well, since late August, early September, they've had 120 interactions with people at the library. The library director says the team was much needed. The library has seen several people coming in experiencing a crisis.
A lot of times people would come in who simply just needed somebody to talk to, who were maybe having some sort of a emotional or mental crisis. And again, we're not trained to do that.
It's been just over 4 months since the city of High Point has been contracting with Mental Health Associates of the Triad, a nonprofit based in High Point, to place a licensed social worker and a peer support specialist at the library full-time.
The past couple months has really just been navigating how we can make the biggest impact and how we could be the most helpful for patrons.
When you work in public libraries, your whole goal is to help people to find the resources that they need. And a lot of times it's as simple as handing them a book or telling them about a database or a program, something like that. But so many times people are coming in with needs that we simply are not equipped as librarians to help them with, and we hate that.
Around 68% of the people they've helped are men. Around 7% of the people they've helped are veterans. Many are referred by library staff. The team also walks through the library, introducing themselves to people who look like they may need help.
From the unhoused community and from the shelter community as well. They come in here regularly, so we see them regularly. We try to build a rapport with them.
The top two services many people have needed help with are job placement and mental health concerns or seeking mental health services. They also help people in need of food assistance, health insurance, seeking substance abuse services, and housing assistance.
What we do is we actually, sit down with them and do the application with them, whatever service.
They have had a lot of success in de-escalating situations where someone was in crisis.
All the folks that we've worked with, they do want help and they do want somebody to talk to, and it's just finding that person that they can reach out to.
At this time, the city only has a 1-year contract with Mental Health Associates of the Triad and have the social worker and peer support specialist placed at the library. Library staff says with the positive response, they hope they will be on the team long term.